Hi everyone, if you own a husky, raise your hand. You definitely know all about the unmatched drama of this breed. Today, we're going to check out the ultimate over-the-top moments from these four-legged actors. All right, let's dive in.
I love you. I love you. I love you.
Well, I have never seen a dog crying. Huskies are so dramatic.
My God, you want to talk about mother?
Dog turned his head like he's doing it again.
Your mother's so old that her breast milk is powdered. You breastfeed like this.
Oh my gosh, bro told us Victoria's secret. Oh my gosh, the sudden silence.
Do you think I'd come to me?
That face says, I'm about to stir up chaos. Just watch.
Come on, bedtime. Yes. Yes.
Yes, Mama has to work tomorrow. Yes. Yes, Mama has to work tomorrow.
Come on, bedtime.
Oh my God, the way he said no.
You can keep arguing, but you're going to bed. Come on. In.
What are you doing? Come!
And he's like, yeah?
What is this?
Why are huskies always so extra? He literally paused for dramatic effect. You're not raising a husky, you're housing an opera singer. Ma'am, you better give him what he wants.
Do you want to go for a... Do you want to go for a walk?
Okay!
He wanted to make sure it's for a walk and not a vet.
Oh no!
Oh, he has the nerve to look at you like you're the one in trouble.
Come here.
I believe these dogs have their own language if we could learn it.
Kieran, come here.
And this right here is why they call huskies goofy.
You're okay, baby. You're okay. You're okay. What's his name?
Jermaine.
Good boy, Jermaine. Good boy.
Exactly. He is hunting you.
Good boy. Good boy. Good boy. Good boy. I know. I'm sorry. I'm sorry.
Ted. Ted. Ted.
Ma'am, you're in the doghouse.
Ted. I can see you looking at me. Ted.
Jack.
Well,
Jack.
that was very passive-aggressive, Jack.
Jack.
No.
Let's go. Come on.
Not hiding, just starring in his play called I'm the Victim.
Come on, let's go.
Watching him dance feels like I'm at an outdoor concert. I mean, if they're not dramatic, are they even husky?
Hey Kylo, can I tell you something? You know how we have this quarantine?
Oh, wow. He's really responding to you.
Well, I have some bad news. We have to go back. I know. Eventually. I don't know when, but eventually.
Get back!
Oh my gosh. Hop's back in battle stance.
Do not come in. Don't do it. No.
Blue, Nina wants a hug. She's sick. Blue. Oh, there you go. One more.
Ma'am, Blue still doesn't want a hug.
Sorry, Nina. He still doesn't want to give it.
Huskies are crazy drama. Seriously. Talking to a husky isn't words. It's just howls. The husky is like, hey, stop. Mom's right there.
Show me your bad dog. I don't want to see any of these like good boys and good girls sitting for a cookie. Show me that bad dog. I want the one who sits on the 50th try. I want the dog that stole your underwear. I want the dog that bit your ankle.
Stop catching me. Stop. Stop.
And you must stop what you're doing and pay attention to them at all times.
Five minutes.
Owner says one line. Husky replies with a whole speech.
Hey, you cheeky bitch, bro.
No, thank you. No.
Well, Husky is the most dramatic creature of the animal kingdom.
Come here! You know you're not supposed to be downstairs. Go upstairs.
Ma'am. He's the CEO of Talking Back to Humans.
What were you doing down there? What were you doing?
Are you complaining to me about something?
Oh my gosh, I've never heard a bass husky.
I didn't quite understand. You're not happy about something.
Sit. You're up. Sit. Thank you.
Loved so much, he activated free fall mode. Neighbors probably thought an ambulance pulled up outside. just brushing his fur and he's screaming like he's being kidnapped. Well, raising a husky is basically parenting boot camp. Somebody please bring Mr. Oakley some stairs.
Wow.
Oh, the alpha dog ain't so alpha after all.
Who did this?
Who did this? Bliss. Who
Well,
did this?
she was obviously framed. It couldn't have been her.
Bliss. Bliss.
Mika, I love you. Do you love me? You do. I love you too.
Oh, he just doesn't know how big he is, I guess. Emergency brake, but no crash. Such a pro driver.
Nope. Paw. Paw. Thank you.
Doggy's like, why are you not holding me? Put the kitty down.
A lo que yo vine fue a esto.
Well, he doesn't know how to bite, but he tries.
Hi, Maya. Hi. Hi, Maya. Hi, Maya.
Maya's like, I know you're just petting me to make him jealous, but I'm here for it.
You're such a good girl, Maya. Hi, girl.
Oh, he's acting like he did it on purpose.
The Huskies are doing what they... They're taking off.
Run. And they never saw their tree or huskies again.
Hey, Rory.
Huh?
Some lady on the internet says you're cold. You should probably come inside.
What are you talking about, man? Close the door. It's hot.
You gonna come in? Okay, you just stay there.
How our puppy reacted to her first big snowfall.
The dog was like, yep, that's how you husky.
Billy, come here. Come here.
Not only ignoring, but also arguing back like it's a debate.
Come here. You want to go for a walk? Do you want to go for a walk?
Not now. Not now. Swear he said it.
I'm trying to help you. Do you want to go for a walk?
Come on, let's go. Come on. Let's go.
People who have huskies know how dramatic they are, and they won't ever do anything.
Sweet boy. Oh, yes, sweet. Okay, have a good inside. Oh, come on, let's go.
Well, Breeze was a little upset his dad was fishing and not paying attention to him. Oh, she just wants to play with him. This is Unseen, a hyper-jumpy cat disturbing a chilled and quiet husky. Well, the husky is that one cousin during hide and seek. Well, this is the face after eating 3 steaks and getting scolded by the whole family.
Too much shame.
Give me a hug. Yes. Give me a hug right now. Give me a hug. I'm naughty. Give me a hug. Hug.
Otis? Otis!
This is the face after realizing the treat was just a trap for bath time.
You little fucker. Hey, look at me. Was the crab dinner good? Oh, fuck up. No bite.
Oh, Dad's pressing the accelerator.
Crash, are you comfy? What you doing? Are you laying on your brother?
Thanks so much for watching, everyone. Don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you never miss an adorable moment. See you in the next video.